don't have nobody?
Not at the moment. Lose my lady in a car accident. What about you?
Oh, no, I never been into a car accident.
You mean if you don't have nobody?
No. Me lose all of my parents from them was children.
I mean if you have like a partner?
The last one me join, a police me have to carry the girl yard to collect me join.
All right, done.
Jamaica. 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 I want it.
Oh my God.
Rev up, my boy. What? No. Public announcement. You see that broad towel tongue police boy there? After me and my woman did a good yesterday. Woman a treat me like a king she supposed to. You know it got, though. Video job. Me no know which one of my woman Jezebel friend send her the video. Policeman video job. Woman a try show me the video. Me say, Mama, me no want to see them video there, you know. Woman vex. Because me no want to see the video. Me no want to see no man and him no solve. Me no name solve. Woman a go and tweet me about the video so me start cuss. You know woman go and bug it and tweak you. So me start cuss. You know say the woman pack up and left me. Woman vex cause me and p***. And the girl them love the police towel tongue boy too, you know. Boy mash up man relationship in a
Yeah, mongrel there for eat food pan chair. Eh? How you do? What's wrong with you? Don't do it. Who am to you? Hey? What the fuck? How you do? Don't do it. Oh, yeah man, adapt more man. That me I tell him man, yeah. Give me that man, yeah. Oh, you do? How you do? Oi, no sir, get that from him out.
Happy 4th of July. That who I call me ears. Hello? Here's a ring. Hello? Alright, nobody come here, sir.
You can't tell me that.
I say, alright, we have enough problems to deal with right now. Find somewhere else go.
Nothing you can do to stop a hurricane from coming.
Matthew, you for hearing a youth.
What you gonna do? Eh? Watch ya. Level up. Watch ya again. Level up. One more time. Level up. Or you better go stack up on bread and mackerel and everything. Pack up on a banana tree them and run them and forward.
Matthew, alright.
Why run come up in
Bumbo.
Yes, man, you never want to hear no, eh? You never want to hear.
Sorry.
I'm sorry you say?
Yeah.
Self.
You want me to do that, man?
Move your mama and go somewhere else, man.
You know, see, I hate me mother send me. I'm gonna take show off. Come around here, sir.
Move from Boya. Run with Pakistan.
Yes, boss. Right up there, so me I go. Right up there, so me I go. My friend, I don't even know why I come this way, my friend. I don't even talk the English. So I say, Pambule. Goodbye, my friend.
You go and hate him and them are some voodoo.
You can't read paper. You can't slide Roman ganja, you can't read. You learn to read paper, man. Go one side, man. No dunce, no me said the man in car, me said no.
Jesus, come on, girl. One more for the road. One more. Nothing for me.
That no happen.
No, we never cut man one time of my life. She's a wicked girl. And there to drop it there road, you know. Hey, don't drop it.